Hi, this is Shane with Balance Pros. In this week's video, we're going to combine using the Clock Yourself app, 4 cones, one red, yellow, blue, and green cone, and the ADL Balance Trainer to emphasize improving reaching both high and low. So reaching is very important. If something's on the floor, whether it's a shoe or you have to stoop forward to feed an animal, we have to bend forward, and we want to be able to stay steady and safe when we do that. And in the opposite direction, reaching up high, it's not uncommon for a patient to reach over head height and start to lose the balance going back. So you'll grab the Clock Yourself app, set it to the primary colors. Every time a color gets called out, if that cone's already in a high position, you'll move it to a low position. If the color of the cone being called out is in a low position, then you'll redirect it and move it in a high position. So if we look at the video, you're going to see basically that very thing happening. You can set the pace on that Clock Yourself app, so if you want to slow it down, you can make the color not get called out quite so quickly. You can also, to make this exercise either easier or harder, if you want to make it easier, you could make the shelf highs not so quite so high up or so low, and then as that individual gets better, you bring them higher, lower. You could speed up the app, and you could also have that individual stand on something soft like a block of foam. Hopefully this gives you some ideas on new exercises to work with your patients. As always, thanks for tuning in, and see you again in future videos.